Nzema chief rewards residents 50,000 Ghana cedi for apprehending illegal miners. Nzema hene wabɔ mmɔden akɔkye mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa a wɔn ka bɔ mu ekosi illegal miners for kwan ɛsan kyerɛ wɔn ɛde brɛ no sɛ nkɔmɔ sɛ ne nsa ase but ɔma mmeranteɛ no ayɛ adeɛ atumi akɔkye wɔn abadeɛ a ɔbɔ wɔn aba so pakyɛw ɛno ɛna mɛde kyerɛ wo ha no onipa ɔyɛ adeɛ ne yɛ bɛbɔ n'aba so nti muntie mi yie nyɛ ne ɔyɛ bɔ ne nko ana mɛka nti mɛwurawura mu akɔ hu ɔhene baako actually mentumi hu sɛ ɛyɛ tricks meyɛ mehwehwɛ mu me ne me nua binom akasa ɔmo so ɔmo find out sɛ yɛ saa pepepe a na papa no ne nsa hyɛ illegal mining ase ana obi wɔ hɔ a na one side ɛyɛ na mo ba na mo bedi bi no ahyɛ da akyɛ mo te sɛ nea osi mu kwan no na ɔno aso wɔ ne nkrɔfo a ɔmo gu akyire a ɔmo yɛ mate sɛ aban yɛ sɛ aban declare all water bodies sɛ ɛyɛ security zone saa na mate ne aha
JSTV Sunema Muina Aquaba Stronko. Mesro say ene your first time obe subscribe na wa like na afi wa share so. Uwia enso ho na wo de wadwentwe no ato comment section ho ede amame. JSTV say ba no amanyosem eni ewiase mu nsem ne amahodo so nsem de anachese eya haya ene eboaboa no na ye de aba besomu. Enti mesro say abrani abre nyina no obetem chuku na chese watna o said ebe ya video bi atoma wonsu benya bi ahwe mensai wo breme ne wo kasai video bi etwagu e wontintan video so video bi eda ho achese amanfo e ka ho nsem mepese ebo hwi na yakwa akohwe ede aba
nsem bibiri aba John Mahama nso so a contradict no ho a ode no ho akoto asem munti no mebo modern na mede no aba abekere mo John Kwadwo Mawuli Mahama enso nie
to change the mindset of dependence on external parties. Data from the Economic Commission of Africa, ECA, shows that COVID-19 created the continent's worst recession in 50 years, with real GDP shrinking by 3% averagely by 3% in 2020. Before the pandemic, poverty reduction was already a major challenge. The pandemic is estimated to have dragged about 55 million more people into poverty in Africa. And expose.
Now said Diva say at least he is doing something. But you unsa me ba be kire mana na agima bedu kwan ofa so a ono ankasa otutu ne nan kim eko enwuram galamsefo yes nkwala nketo abi o enye so odi excavator mpo wo ba be hye wono ase no papa na na tutu ne namo no odi amika no koye Chew or chain, say, Menoka say, yes, I'm fanning in Amrano. Da, or my judgment, Baba Banty, and say, Dinatum, or Coeduma, then the Danos Messiah by catch them. Miss Sorry, and I may try, mean, shed any connections, I would do my bibri, Tiana may bre. Into Papa no or Yana from you, Nasi, and yon henna, or not so say, men fefo, etimia cochi illegal miners into my mom 50,000, if I just say, no, 500 million. Say, I'm from my boys, no, my yard, dear pa. Musi wa mkwan we wo de ahye wo or the saying wa hye wo mabasa mudin akwai te boys ye prapra yi unya 1000 Ghana cedi mana na somebody nti bekwa ko awura gata num o ka se de nti abasa boys o matumi ye adwuma no eye motivation na mode ma wo mo no motivation aye nyina ye ka ho bi ye pia wo mo at least mo ama mo wadanse ye na no a we say freedom fighters donate ade aye de pra ye de ama mo yi onso obi ameka hwe o mo wabaso Mo abason kahwe or Henry David anya hwe me was see I can show you say time anam nkofo wi wo mo pia bonten na o mo pra Ghana na obi ampra mpacha hwan na na epra or Henry David atare na show mo no nti wo hwe ha you can see say David me nkofo na wo montene a wo mo pra atare wi pa na betumi a kire nti wo be say ya kire akire or Henry David clean up or the saying or Henry David community service mpacha ndi gu akire no or Henry David Community Service. Until you know, we don't just talk, we try. Yenye mad in your fe, papa na, or yenze mahino. Minim say yeden ya, minim se or ye galamsi ni bidia, ben ya why no. Or ye 500, mumuso 242. 500 million or the Bemasi in Kusi Galamsano coin. Cheddar man 5 billion and paying for Mokoshia or Dano, Ubia contribute to a bit dear more than 500 million or 242 dear no ye farm. Into me catch us papa no or a criminal. He's not there to help Asante Man and answer serve as a send the babeti as an omsi say the iron or because I become into be hurt is sell mobile bet in your Rebecca. Mahama na time I know opposition or bomb modia can say what they saying. Oh, but who is commenting? Your comment is not showing. Can't you see? I said this message is hold for review, so you don't have to waste your time and continue posting. Okay, you can see. Say, I said this message is hold for review. Okay, that I'm gonna I say potentially inappropriate message are held for review. Okay, so can I hide? Yeah. I don't know which person is fooling like this. I don't know which person. I don't know Onipa Ujim him. So whoever that is commenting over there, please stop commenting. Okay, it's not showing. Whatever you write, you can see say it's not gonna show. Why? I make sure say you stop because it's not gonna show. Okay. Enti John Dramani Mahama ewo opposition na no. We good when ma say enra ewo United Nations. Ono an de kokan e time na omo ye eyin si eyin e kan me kra me say yes, I say it's held for review, yeah. But you make me say there was nothing like COVID-19 affect Ghana for the same year, no, Italia, Germany, wine near Debbie. Sabrofon, you can't also move. That was when truth. That was the truth, and I womb I'm passing no move. But Ghana, wana, I didn't buy any yet to say intimation. John Dramani Mahama beba beso ma was saying Akufo-Addo nya sika bebre ntumbeka ya no or man reference say World Bank Emma almost 1 billion because the sika na keka boom no World Bank 900 and something and there been thousand a year e could na 1 billion there been dollars. Ena yenya we say almost $3 billion meka IMF ene adwumaku ahodo bebre nti Ghana nya sika ene wo ma na wo beko Ghana na no hada na covid atwam sa no wo beko Ghana yes ko online ko feli $100 fashion hasi ya me duru ba bi na ye kro ya yesan gina mu sa adan wiase amaya kasa na omgigi omnkofo sika covid abama Germany fo ya howe o kra no ya dane refugees wo mu tua yenka Ghana ni ba na nya refugee wo ye na wa wo ye dan modern na muntua mama monkrofo nye free kakra nsi o afede e be ma munsio o ma nsio e mama modokono e be hu anse o si o ai mo bibia mede ma mo bia meje ne Akufo-Addo ye mo covid-19 na John Mahama eyusu e de ye ne campaign na abusiafo mo mienko na monkotie wakogina o de saying United Nations say affect yin. And so all your campaign was affecting nipa bonfo ebebrim tie no one wo ha no.
And to change the mindset of dependence on external parties. Data from the Economic Commission of Africa, ECA, shows that COVID-19 created the continent's worst recession in 50 years, with real GDP shrinking by 3% averagely by 3% in 2020. Before the pandemic, poverty reduction was already a major challenge. The pandemic is estimated to have dragged about 55 million more people into poverty in Africa and exposed another 46 million more to the risk of hunger and malnourishment. Indeed, 70% of hunger in Africa, which had already been on the rise since 2014, is directly attributable to this pandemic. Like governments all over the world, it became necessary for African governments to take action to shield their populations from the effects of the epidemic. In my country, Ghana, our economy has emerged in extremely poor shape from the COVID experience. A ballooning deficit, double-digit inflation, a nose-diving currency, increasing debt distress are some of the symptoms of a very ill economy. This has devastated many African economies and sunk them deeper into unsustainable debt and economic downturn. The pandemic has had a generally deleterious effect on the economy of African nations. The effects
Yeah. Onokro ya tino.
Do Buankra Port. COVID was a disaster, a calamity that befell us. But it was also an opportunity because a lot of money was pumped into this country because of COVID. As the Auditor General said, we received almost 22 billion CDs, free money. Well, IMF gave us $1 billion facility. They gave us another $1 billion special drawing rights.
2 billion.
World Bank gave us almost $950 million, almost $1 billion.
3 billion.
Gave 10 billion CDs.
Hey.
They took from the stabilization fund almost $200 million. And so a lot of money came in, even though there was adversity. And we should have used that money to stabilize the economy. But because it was an election year, we just started awarding contracts to favorites and sharing the money any way we wanted. The point is, every economy must have buffers. And it takes a visionary leader to create those buffers. That stabilization fund, I put the money in the stabilization fund. Otherwise, when COVID hit, we had no money from anywhere.
Enti, near John Mahama, I can't hear. Minua or hay so ababe can send me, mepesa yin never call, never quite is a seminal. A hanso ye, Accra, and Patrick Accra. I'm here.
To go and
what I.
Auntie, oh my Ghana na muumno, ena medeka kra achiro. Ya besi ya tiye ba kubim. Opekura o mpi o sisire mu pa de. Ade papa bia ni sirem na nka ade pa wo sirem anka ye ba be ye den e wo fom ha wei eye obi a wakọ antina ho na obi a wodada no se wo mra na oba obehwe ne kama na obeduru ya unu atwi nadi obi ye ose o monsan nko sirem na ose kwasia na nka bibi papa bi wo sirem a nka ye beba ha wei ye nuanom siremfo mo sempa minko mu kase sirem ni foforo message bi ma ye nti yanko ne nkoti no
Akwane ya sano ya mfanche no ye siremfo no ye bibire sole ya mimi sole se akwano mimi chino kwa mabono Gwana mnimzo mabu akula na plan sa. Ba nipa ba akuya ade a. Oso onya akula. Wanyini kakra ba wadwen no. Asa jimi kula che akula no. Akwa na ye mistake kula na obia se akwa na nya ade ono so ye present what I say. Otumfo ye penyini pa. Ana ye present so ye penyini. But omusi akula jimi a penyini so enjimi. Ba wo penyin so wagimi woni akwara no hezi ahwa ne bodam akwa na ye mistake ye nyina ye kwa ye sirefo no kwa ye se akwa na nya ade wo so bi wo no a wo baka asampa no wo ka kire se ye ni mo na enum so bom ba ye ne mo na enum so bom na ye wo komasa ye be mo no so aye sanefo no so na da
akwa na asem nyina ne se mate se me se trouble colors wakwa ko bie na no se esiremfo no menim na asema na wo kane ne wo pirichi wasesiremfo wo mane na ntwie na num nsuo na I think say menim ne baaye ena sirem ne be say unse boy we no ye frɛ no Mustafa mdi se no na ama omo didi wo matem na asesen nti yese siremfo ne na ntwie na num nsuo abrante ne se musi ye ne siremfo sorry na ntwie ena num nsuo e wo sirem de a Sa siremfo na omo ne nantwie no munsuo no so ba asante mantem a wo mo nso ne nantwie na deda wo ma wo wa asantefo a bi di ade yi I want the messy to be because I am a de. I am a de papa. I am a do. The baby, I mean, dear, I am do. Ah, dear, no. Hey, as some auntie say, dear.
Jimmy, penny so and Jimmy, Bao penny so what Jimmy. Only a crano is a one about them. A mistake, Yanina, a question for the Quayasia Yard. Usu be one more overcast and pano, overcatch as a more than noon so boom. By any more, and a noon so boom, they walk Comasa, and more swires and the fortune at that.
Your name one now, me ass antiphone soon added. Here, Charlie, Mr. Sandy will be a man, will be a mind gabble. Catch all. Akwa we so de menye sure se obi abepe ne ho asem akose ai he wo hye hen na wo ka se wo no se mo so obi obeka asem bia na de mboko hwe ba bi ote no na chi curtains ono angasa na abrabo bia hye da je na kono bi mu hwe na chi curtains wa hu chansi bi ho wasini da wi ano no tie hwe wa wie wo hwe se ne wo no wo honom na ye plywood no ai nu ye tutua ma chansi no ceiling bia ni ma chansi na ne san ye ceiling insuo ka se to a eto wa obeti bibia sound clear why you ready o de kwai ti ame de ye pe na maton kra momo be ma ubi hia me na ye o se jama wo anya be ma bi ni be kwa wo akumi awie jaijimi
Abusua video no na o hwe ye no enti se won so oni nipa no eye adwen anasa one ne nya adwen a onim de wo se wo ye for adwen tre eto comment section wo fam se dem di kan Gist TV so ni oba subscribe na wa like na wa share o wie nso so a bo bell ne so se de be ya video bi atoma ubenya notification ne se ye de foforo atum e de ama meda so jebre na de hwe me makra